This lesson gives a clean overview of the main biological groups and how to tell them apart fast when you meet a new organism. Living things are organized into broad kingdoms, and here we focus on animals, plants, fungi, protists, and bacteria, with viruses shown for comparison, even though they are not true living cells. Animals are multicellular eukaryotes with no cell walls that gain energy by ingestion, and most move at some stage using muscles and a nervous system. Plants are multicellular eukaryotes with cellulose cell walls that make food by photosynthesis in chloroplasts and store carbohydrate as starch. Fungi are usually multicellular eukaryotes with chitin cell walls that feed by extracellular digestion and absorption through hyphae, and they store carbohydrate as glycogen. Protists are eukaryotes that do not fit the other kingdoms and are usually single-celled or simple multicellular forms, including algae and protozoa. Bacteria are prokaryotes with no nucleus or membrane-bound organelles that reproduce by binary fission and may carry plasmids, have flagella, and a cell wall of peptidoglycan. Viruses are acellular particles of genetic material in a protein coat that can only reproduce inside host cells, so we class them as non-living in the strict sense. One reliable way to classify is to check cell type, presence of a nucleus, and whether a cell wall is present and what the wall is made of, such as cellulose, chitin, or peptidoglycan. Another quick check is the method of nutrition and storage. For example, animals ingest, plants photosynthesize, fungi absorb, some protists can do both, and bacteria use diverse pathways. You should also learn named examples and diseases for context, such as human, oak, bread mold, amoeba, lactobacillus, and viruses that cause influenza and measles. Finally, a simple decision flow that asks whether cells are prokaryotic or eukaryotic, whether the organism is multicellular, whether it photosynthesizes, and what its wall is made of, such as cellulose, chitin, or peptidoglycan, will send you to the correct kingdom fast.